I'm Mark from Drainfast, joined by Nigel, our Research and Development Director. Here today we're on site at Barratt David Wilson Homes in Thorton, just outside Liverpool. Do you want to tell us a bit about some of the products they're using?
Yeah, so on this site they've taken up a lot of the products. They've got the roads and sewers range that we're doing, which is for the road manholes. So for all the ironworks there, they've got ones for the 675 manhole covers and the 1220 by 675 covers. And then they've taken on the gully range as well, so they've got the MuckStopper for the road gullies, and also they've got the plot drainage 450 MuckStoppers. So yeah, got a good range on this site. We're very excited to be working with Barratt.
Yeah, so it's good to see another customer that's actually using the whole range of the MuckStoppers, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, no, it should. We're really hoping they're going to be proving the benefits of it all.
Yeah, so the whole idea is to stop silt and mud, any debris getting into the drains and clogging them up, isn't it?
Yeah, yep. So we're trying to stop it at the source, really, to save problems and expense further down the line. Yeah,
so it cuts down on the need for jetting. You will still need some jetting, won't you? But the amount of jetting and repair works that may be needed if it's full of muck and debris is greatly reduced with our system. And another product they got here, it's good to see, is the SightStack system. Great to see them using that. Keep their drains all tidy.
Yeah, no, they seem to be very enthused about that as well. And so that should help them with their plot drainage, keeping it all together in the same place, all to hand. And yeah, great little workstation on the end of it too.
So yeah, we're all about innovative solutions to common problems on building sites. And if anybody else would like to try either the MuckStopper or SightStack on their site, please give us a call.